received our ReadyWelder, and we're going to go ahead and set up at this time. We have our basic jumper cables, red on positive, black on negative. We have our connection to the ReadyWelder. Again, black on negative, red on positive. You never want to set up your ReadyWelder and try and energize it until you're ready to weld. At this time, you have to insert your spool. You remove spool clamp bolt. Open up your ReadyWelder. Remove your gas nozzle. Remove your tip. And remove your contactor for wire installation. You can leave the contactor in, but it's much easier when installing your wire. Ensure when you open your wire that it's spooling in the correct direction. Set it down. Come through the back side. Press down on your tension arm. Ensure that you have 4 to 6 inches out of the barrel. Ensure that your wire is routed over the trigger reel. One thing to note, you must ensure that your wire is in the groove pattern off the trigger assembly. At this time, reassemble your cover. Make sure your cover is closed. Do not over tighten your tension nut. You can install your diffuser. Ensure that it is tight so you do not have a gas loss. Install your tip. Your contactor tip goes in. At this point, make sure both of these items are snug. Install your gas nozzle. It just slips down and it gives you your standoff. It's a good idea to have it a 1/4 inch away from your tip. At this point, you're ready to energize. Energizing is as simple as red to red, black to black. Okay, at this time, you will have a green light displayed on your ReadyWelder. You are ready to weld. You can adjust your power seat with the scrum screw, and it is a good idea to energize the feed to ensure that you have proper feeding of your wire. We're now ready to weld with the ReadyWelder.